Well, hello, my algebra students. So I wanted to spend some time solving equations. Now we're going to spend time Monday and Tuesday on this, but remember, step one is to simplify both sides of the equation. Combine as much as possible before you worry about the other side. Step two, get the variables to one side. Then get the constants to the other side. Now, a constant is just a number. So the numbers that don't have a variables, we get them on the other side of the equation. And then get a 1 times the variable, and then check. Now, you do your check inside your head. So let's look at a problem. Now, we're going to do a big problem first so we get used to the steps. So step one, simplify both sides. Holy cheese, lot to simplify. So distribute the 5. By the way, this is going to probably be a 2 video series on X solving. Distribute the 3. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 5 is plus 15. 6 minus 10 is negative 4. Take the absolute value, so it's plus 4. Absolute value means distance from 0, and distance is always positive. Step 2, get the variables to one side. Oh, I still got to simplify. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 10 plus 15 is 25. Now I can go on to step 2. So I'm going to subtract 2x. I always like to move the smallest one. That's just me. You could get rid of 4x. So I'd have 25 equals 2x plus 4. Mercy. Big problem here, Murphy. So now we're going to subtract 4. And I'm going to move this over here. So I have 21 equals 2x. Divide by 2. X equals 21 over 2. So, now let's go back and we'll start with some basicer problems. So I want to get the x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3. So the reverse of multiplying by negative 3 is dividing. You always do the reverse to undo what's being done. So that would be negative 2 as an answer. Here, I'm subtracting 4, so I need to add 4. Yes, hey. Do this one by yourself. See if you can figure it out and then turn me back on. Okay, so I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal because anything times its reciprocal is 1, and that's what I want. 1x equals 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Now we have here, a lot of people get this one wrong. But I want to get rid of the minus 4. So I want to turn it into 0, so that would be plus 4. So I have x equals 10. Okay, now we have two-step problems. Go ahead and see if you can do these two. Freeze the video and then see if you can do them for me. This one is super tricky. Subtract 4, which most people do, but it's negative x equals 6. I don't want negative x, I want positive x. So I'm going to take the opposite of both sides. So this would be x equals negative 6. Then this one, you'd add 4. So I'd have 14 equals 2x. Get the x by itself, divide by 2. X equals 7. So, try these two for me. Don't look at these. Just try these. Now try these two. Go ahead. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 6. So I have 1/2 x equals 4. Multiply by 2. So x equals 8. Now this one, I need to get the variables to one side. So I'm going to subtract 3x. Now again, you could subtract 5x, that's okay. So I have 2x plus 6 equals negative 10. So subtract 6. 2x equals negative 16. Divide by 2, x equals negative 8. So see if you can figure these two out. We've been doing them in class, so see if you can. Go ahead. Okay, so I want to get the x's to one side, so I'm going to subtract 7x. So I get 9 equals 3x plus 3. So now I'm going to subtract 3. 6 equals 3x. Divide by 3, x equals 2. So if you want to check it, 2 times 7 is 14, plus 9 is 23. 10 times 2 is 20, plus 3 is 23. This one, again, I like to do the smaller one. Minus 4x, so we get 4x plus 4. Oh, that's a minus. That is my bad. I got to clean my glasses. Sorry about that. 4x minus 4 equals 8. So now I'm going to add 4. So 4x equals 12. Divide by 4. X equals 3. Okay, I'm going to stop there and make a part 2 to this video on the harder solvings.